Ayan na, Almazan. Almazan now, number 3. Pinasa kay Katap. Katap back to Almazan. Almazan for the perimeter shot. Supply. Nakuha ni Sabiron. Tinapon lang niya. Ayan na, Almazan. Pass to De La Cruz. Palitan na bola. Palitan na. Oh, naabot pa. Sobrang understood. Ayan na, Heniza. Pass to Trinos. Trinos now, through the ball, number 4. Pass to Rambakal. Rambakal! And one! What a nice move by number 24, De La Cruz. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot for Rambakal, number 15. Napakaganda ng galawan ni Rambakal. De La Cruz first pa lang. Basket count, bonus shot for Rambakal. Ayan na, tie. Number 22. Pass to Almazan. Almazan now, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Ferrer. Pass to Tay. Tay, what a nice defense for Rambakal. Ayan na, pass to Trinos. Trinos to Encarnacion. Encarnacion! Lumipad, sumabay. Sa play, nagkamali. Nakuha ni Trinos. Basket count for Trinos, number 4. Ayan na, Almazan on the inbound. Pinasa kay Katap. Katap, number 26. 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Almazan, number 3. Dribbling the ball. Wow, what a nice split moves. Nakuha ni Tahay. Wala sa play. Nakuha ni Hiniza. Hiniza, number 18. Dribbling the ball now. Pinasa kay Trinos. Trinos now. Tinawid ang bola. Pinasa kay Encarnacion. Encarnacion. Pass to Trinos. Trinos. Hit. Jump. Back. Time out. Takbong pogi. Grabing galing ni Trinos. Big jump. From downtown pa. Score is 60-61. Dikit po ang laban. 1 point lead by Takbong Pogi. 8 minutes and 19 seconds remaining for the fourth quarter. Back to the ball game. Ayan na, Almazan, number 3. Almazan now, dribbling the ball. Naghanap pa sa pinasa kay Katap. Katap! Supply! Redo Zindo! Grabe lane violation! Bola ng Jet the Legends. 8 minutes and 3 seconds. 24 to shoot. Ayan na, Encarnacion, number 3. Dribbling the ball. Kanino pinasa, tapo ng sabaw. Bola ng Takbong Pogi na. 7 minutes and 54 seconds, 60-61, walang pagbabago. Ayan na, De La Cruz, pinasa kay Almazan. Almazan now, pinasa kay Katap. Katap number 26 now, dribbling the ball. Katap, pass to Almazan, floater, supply, put back by De La Cruz, is good for 2 points. Baba na! Ayan na, Hiniza to Trinos. Trinos ngayon, number 4, dribbling the ball. Ayan na, Rambakal, power play. Supply! Ayan na, nakuha ng Hiniza. Pass to Sabiron, tumukol ng 3. Bang! Sabiron, grand parking lot. Tie score at 63. 7 minutes and 10. 19 to shoot. Ayan na, Katap. Pinasa kay Almazan. Almazan for 2. Supply, Reno Silva for a putback. Supply. Ayan na, kaninong ball na rep. Bola po ng Jet the Legends. Ayan na, Encarnacion, number 3, dribbling the ball. Encarnacion ngayon. Number 3, pass to Sabiron. Sabiron to Hiniza, supply. Nakuha ni Rambakal. Traveling violation, change keyboard. Bola na po ng takbong pogi. Ayan na, Almazan, dribbling the ball. Almazan number 3, pass to Katap. Katap now. Driving to the basket. Traveling violation. Ayan na, Encarnacion, mamaya na. Ayan na, Encarnacion, number 3. 6 minutes exact. 14 to shoot. Encarnacion na yan, number 3. Seconds na play, 10 seconds. 8. 5. Encarnacion for 3. Supply. Rambangal for the putback. Supply. Post foul rep. Number 16, Redo Sindo. 2 shots. First personal foul. Thrower. Second team foul. 2 shots for Rambangal number 15. Reserves up sa thrower. Unang tirang pasok. Huwag mong itira para hindi ka papalitan. Isa play mo pala, sorry. Basket count, substitution rep. Godoy in. Rambakal out. Ayan na, Redo Sindo. Pinasa kay Almazan. Almazan, back to Katap. Katap, back to Almazan. Almazan to Ferrer. Ferrer, number 01, supply. Nakuha ni Encarnacion. Ayan na, Encarnacion, number 3. Dribbling the ball, spin move. What a nice pass to Godoy. Basket count. Ayan na, Almazan, number 3, dribbling the ball. Tinira, supply. Ferrer for the putback, nakuha ni Godoy. Godoy for the rebound. Pinasa kay Trinos. Trinos na, 5 minutes and 5. Trinos na, number 4. Pinasa kay Encarnacion. Encarnacion to Godoy. Godoy, pumangka. Supply. Nakuha ni De La Cruz. Pass to Almazan. Traveling violation. Lifting po tayo. Score is 67-63. 4 points lead by Jet the Legends. 4 minutes and 52. 14 seconds to shoot. Encarnacion. Sabi ron, kumuha ng tres. Bang! Sabi ron, back to back. 3 points. Ayan na, Encarnacion. Dribbling the ball. Encarnacion, number 3, dribbling the ball. Encarnacion, naghahanap papasahan. Encarnacion, driving to the basket, 10 seconds. Encarnacion, take away. Foul. Foul by number 3, Almazan. Time out. Takbong pogi. Time clock is 4 minutes and 13 seconds remaining for the last quarter. Second personal foul for Almazan, 3rd team foul.
Kami first quarter.
Back to the ball game. Pass ball po tayo, 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Ayan na, Trinos, pinasa kay Encarnacion. Using the body, wala, nakuha ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz now, pinasa kay number 01, Ferrer. Pinasa kay Katap, Katap, lumipad, supply. Ayan na, nakuha ni Katap ulit. Katap, lumipad ulit, supply. Katap for a putback, he gives the 2 points. Ayan na, Enisa, pass to Trinos. Trinos now, number 4. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Encarnacion. Encarnacion now. Number 3, 1-on-1 with Almazan. Loose ball. Kanina bola. Same ball po tayo. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 40. Score is 70-65. 5 points lead by Jet the Legends. 12 seconds to shoot. Trinos, Encarnacion. Encarnacion ngayon, number 3, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay 5. Sameron, 3. Supply.
Yes.
Ubus ng shot clock, ubus ng shot clock. Ayan na, Ferrer, pass to Almazan. Almazan now, dribbling the ball. Number 3. Almazan, lumusot, nice pass to Ferrer. Basket count. Ayan na, Sameron. Pass to Encarnacion, 3 minutes and 10. Encarnacion, number 3. Encarnacion, nagsisinyas ng screen. 12, 10, 8. Godoy, 3-minute shot. Supply. Ayan na, Almazan. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay De La Cruz. Pass to Katap. Katap now. Katap, lumiyak. Supply. Reto Sindo. Foul. Foul number 16, Reto Sindo. Timeout. Jet the Legends. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Note lang po tig-isa na lang po yung timeout niya Tig-isa na lang po yung timeout niya. Warning pa lang ang takbong pogi. Back to the ball game. Time clock is 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Bola po ng Jet the Legends. Ayan na, Trinos on the inbound. Pinasa ka Encarnacion. Encarnacion now. Dribbling the ball, number 3. Encarnacion, 1-on-1 with Almazan. Encarnacion, 12. Godoy, foul. Number 01, Ferrer. Fourth personal foul. Penalty. 2 shots for Godoy, number 71. Sablay, ayan na, Rambakal, kumalabaw. Traveling violation ang tinawagan ni Ref. Bola po na takbong pogi. 2 minutes and 15. Ayan na, Almazan, pass to Katap. Katap now, number 26, dribbling the ball. Almazan, driving, nakon, Encarnacion. Foul. Kalma ka lang, Trinos. Kalma lang. May referee tayo eh. Unsportsmanship like foul. Number 26, Katap. Unang tirang supply, Lastro. Supply pa rin ang diran yung Encarnacion. Last ball position po tayo. 2 minutes and 14 seconds to shoot. Ayan na, Hiniza. Paso Encarnacion. Encarnacion na, 1-on-1 with Almazan. 8 seconds to shoot. 5, 4, tumama sa rin, good job. Redo Sindo. Paso, Katap. Katap ngayon, dribbling the ball. Grabe sa la basket. 2 points by Katap. Score is 70-69. 1 point lead by Jet the Legends. Ayan na, Trinos. Tinira. Basket down by Trinos number 4. Ayan na, 1 minute and 30. Ayan na, Freer. Pass to Almazan. Almazan now, number 3, dribbling the ball. Almazan driving to the basket. Basket count. 72-71, isa lang. Ayan ang Encarnacion. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Pass to Hiniza. Foul. Foul by number 24, De La Cruz. Second personal foul, penalty tayo rep. 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining for the last quarter. Basket count for Hiniza, number 18, last throw. Sablay, ayan na, De La Cruz, number 24. Pass to Redo Sindo. Redo Sindo to Almazan. Almazan, number 3, dribbling the ball, driving to the basket. Foul by Encarnacion. First personal foul, first team foul. First team foul pa lang. 1 minute exact on the time. Fourth quarter. Ayan na, De La Cruz. Pinasa kay Katap. Katap to Almazan. Almazan ngayon, number 3. Dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 8. Ayan na, Rambatal. Pass to Trinos. Trinos now. 18 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 12. Nahuli ni De La Cruz. Ayan na, Katap. Foul. Foul by Trinos, number 4. Third personal foul, second team foul pa lang. Second team foul. Wala pang penalty. 33 seconds, time clock. 21 to shoot. Almazan to Katap. Katap number 26. Dribbling the ball. Foul. Blocking foul by Rambatal number 15. Fourth personal foul. Third team foul. 15 seconds to shoot. 27 time clock. Time clock, sorry. Ayan na, Almazan to Katap. Katap na number 26. Driving to the basket. Nahuli ni Boboy. Foul. Number 01, Ferrer. 5 fouls. Penalty. Penalty rep, penalty. Palitan na si Ferrer. Sablay, ang unang tira ni Hiniza. Last throw. Time out! Takbong Pogi. Takbong Pogi, wala na po kayong time out. Sa Jet the Legends, may isa pa kayo ha. Score is 74-71. 3 points lead by Jeddah Legends. 19 seconds time clock. Back to the ball game. Ayan na, tayo na inbound pinasa kay Almazan. Almazan now. De La Cruz, supply. Teka lang. Number 71, Godoy. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning pa lang, warning lang. Warning. 14 seconds, ay di, 13. 13 seconds to shoot. 13. Ayan na, tayo na ito. Pinasa kay Almazan. 10 seconds. Almazan, 8. De La Cruz. Supply. 3. And that's the end of the last quarter. Congrats, Jeddah Legends. Winning against Takbong Pogi. Our best player for tonight is Godoy, number 71.